Guys, in this video I want to show you how to get to Penang from KL Sentral in Kuala Lumpur. There is an express train from here, KL Sentral, right to Butterworth, where you take a ferry across into Penang. So I'm going to show the step-by-step directions. So I recommend you buy your ticket online so you can pick your seat and everything like that. Make sure you pick the KL Sentral starting point because there is another starting point. I'll leave the website information in the description box below. And now how to get to the actual platform to take this ETS train. Now it's called the ETS train, but it's on the KTM line as well, so it's a little confusing. So if you look behind me, it says welcome to New Central, and there's a Burger King over there. This is not the direction to go. You need to go in this direction where the McDonald's is on your right. So you see right here it says KTM commuter, which you might think that that's the platform, but it is not. So go up here, KTM Intercity, and go upstairs. Make a left. And right over here is where you enter to get to the platform. Now, this is kind of like an airport gate because they don't let you in until I guess the next train is ready or something like that. So my train doesn't leave for about an hour, so I'm gonna have to wait until they let me in. All right, so you scan your card here. And now you go into the nicer waiting area over here. Half hour before the train. So now everybody's boarding around 20 minutes before it leaves. Okay, so I think each train car has a letter. So I'm in B, 11B. So this is Butterworth. Doesn't look like there's a lot around here. Looks kind of industrial. Now, how do you find the ferry to Penang? I'm just going to follow everybody else. Scan your ticket to get out. Okay, ferry to the left. over here. Now, how do you get tickets? Can you pay on the boat, or do you have to buy them beforehand? Is this the only place to buy a ticket?
Yeah.
This
Or
doesn't.
you go to the line.
Thank you. So you can just pay with a Visa card right there. I don't know why people were paying at the other machine there. And so now what? You wait until the next ferry comes. So now they're letting everybody on after the motorcycles, and this ferry looks like it comes every half an hour. So I don't know, maybe it's mostly standing room only. There are no seats here. Okay, now I'm off the ferry, but where am I, and how do you get to the city center, or are you in the city center already? Georgetown this way, bus terminal, Georgetown. Okay, so you can get a bus if you know what bus you're looking for. I'm sure there's taxis over here. There's a taxi stand right here. But I want to understand where I am in relation to my hotel. Maybe I could just walk there. We'll see. So guys, that's a look on how to get to Penang Island from Kuala Lumpur. Once you get off the ferry over here, there are options for buses and taxis, of course. I hope you found this video useful for your trip to Penang. Thanks for watching, guys.